Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install QuickVPN and confirm Bgmi is updated. This avoids version conflicts. Once done, open QuickVPN and grant the app VPN permissions so it can route traffic. Next, pick a nearby server to minimize latency. Lower ping improves hit registration and stability. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable. If signal is weak, switch networks before proceeding. These first steps get you into the connection process cleanly and quickly. You'll now configure QuickVPN for gaming performance. Choose the Game Optimized or TCP/UDP profile to prioritize stable packets. Connect and watch for a solid connected indicator. Confirm ping is steady and in the low 10s to 50s. Once connected, launch Bgmi directly from QuickVPN's in-app shortcut if available, otherwise open the game after a brief pause. If Bgmi stalls on loading, force close the game and clear cache. Relaunching after a fresh connection often resolves handshake problems. You finish by testing in a short match and observing lag, packet loss, and hit registration. This confirms settings work under live load. If you see high ping or jitter, switch to a different server or toggle between UDP and TCP profiles, then reconnect and retest. Make sure battery saver is off and background apps are closed to free resources. If issues continue, reboot your device, then reconnect. Only reinstall QuickVPN as a last step, because that takes extra time and requires reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.